What up, and welcome. Let me turn you out. Actually, I'll turn you out later. But yeah, this is what we're working on. Today's on demand is gonna be pothole. I hit one, and of course you could complain to the city, but they ain't gonna fix the shit. So I'm gonna show y'all how I knock them out the easy way. Hopefully it turn out all right, but I'll show y'all. Come all the way perfect. And you don't feel this when you ride because you be done knock the dent out for the most part. It's just a ding at that point. What up? It's your boy Drip, and welcome. Today, what we finna be working on is this. Come to Tampa. It was raggedy. That wasn't there before last night. I hit a pothole. And they're not gonna pay for that shit, so I'm gonna knock it out the easy way. I'll show y'all how to do that. But yeah, I think that's the only one. I ain't seen nothing else. That looked like it was fine. Yeah, all right. Yeah, so the back looked like it was fine, but this one is not. So working on today. I'm gonna get y'all set up real quick. I'm gonna just try and use a hammer and a piece of wood so we don't fuck up the chrome. But yeah, I'm gonna get y'all set up so y'all can watch, because I think that's gonna be quick and easy. But yeah, tap in, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you. All right. Down there. Alright, so that's not a good spot. Let me move it. Y'all watching me have a high moment. Alright, do y'all got a good view? Alright, yeah, you do. Back up. Go back to where I was. Shit. That'll work. Yeah, that'll work. Again, let's see what we can knock out. Damn it, man, I just had that motherfucker. Alright, so, I got in the car. Nah, it ain't there. We ain't been nowhere else. Yeah, y'all watching me have a hell of a moment because I don't know where I put that sledgehammer I just had. Bro, it's crazy. Oh, wow, there you go. Alright. So, gonna use the sledgehammer. Let me make sure I could see. Oh, too late. Oh well. We're gonna use the sledgehammer because we got a little more work to do. This would be better with a 2x4, but I ain't got one. Tell you what we gonna do. We are gonna make some shit from our blade. There's some work being done off camera right now. So, try it this way. So I'm gonna take the wheel. Keep working. I didn't do what I was going to. Coming out though. That's a little thing. That's a little better. Alright, I gotta find something to absorb a little bit more of that. Maybe put a piece of wood in there. Just trying to have something to absorb the bump so it don't damage the chrome. You know? Alright. Nipped it. Damn it. Alright. We ain't gonna fuck it up too bad. We got a lot of that out. Let me show y'all. Alright. Actually, let me just take you off the stand. Oh, shit. Walk with me, talk with me. See, here go the nick I left right there. Not bad, but for the most part, I got the ding out. I'm gonna get a 2x4 and see if I can work it a little bit more. I just can't find that shit. I know I got one around here somewhere. But yeah, I'll show y'all that if I can, but I'll show y'all the end result. I think it's straight though. All right, boom, that's better. Now what I'm doing, I'm taking this rag and that's kind of taking the blunt of the damage. I'm gonna take this time to go ahead and knock out the, it's another thing right here that I was working on a while ago. But I just be covering it like this. Then I take like heavy, you need a heavy hammer like this and then you can knock it. It'll knock it right out. Now, it'll never come all the way perfect, and you don't feel this when you ride because you be done knock the dent out for the most part. It's just a ding at that point. And this, I think I could get it a little bit more. It's pretty straight. We're gonna try it. Let me show y'all what we got. No. You can see it still got a little flat spot right here, but that ain't gonna be much. That's from when I was using the rubber mallet before in the other video. I missed one of my strikes and hit it, so I gotta scrub that rubber mark back off. But this is the other one. And you can see this what happened if you hit it without putting something in between it. Well, I use a thin towel. I ain't have a thick one before. But that ding, damn near out. So this is the problem with fucking 3-piece wheels, man. So I found some 2-piece barrels. I'm gonna try those, but I don't want to spend that money right now because they like $600 a piece. So I'm chilling on these. But the next time I have an issue with a wheel, like something that's not, I can't just knock it out because I got a whole extra wheel in the house just from dealing with this shit. So I'm not buying no more of that shit. I'm gonna just buy some 2-piece barrels and try those. But I'm gonna buy the whole set, and that's gonna be like, what, like $2,300-$2,400, something like that. So I'm just chilling. I'm gonna make do with what I got. It ain't affecting the ride quality, so I'm cooling with it. So I'm about to get this put back on the car, and we're gonna wrap it up with that. Bam.
He over here freaking out, man, because he think Bell Road's gonna run out of gas on him. Got the windows down, we ain't burn no AC, so we straight. We're gonna make it, man. You want me to make a video?